Development, especially economic development, has sustained by the Industrial Revolution. This is the period in human history that made possible the cycle of efficiency. Efficiency means finding a quickest possible way of producing large amounts of a particular product. This process made buying of goods easier for the people. Then there is an increased demand. Ultimately, there was an increased efficiency. These cycles harms the planet through environmental degradation. Environmental degradation is the deterioration of the environment through depletion of resources such as water, soil, and air. The destruction of ecosystem and the extinction of wildlife, it is most normally connected with the things that people do. The truth of the matter is that the environment is always changing, with or without the effect of human exercises. A few biological systems degrade to the point where they can't help the life that is supposed to live there. Here are some objectives. To know what is environmental degradation. Understand the types of environmental degradation, cause of environmental degradation, and solution of environmental degradation. Types of environmental degradation. First is land and soil degradation. A degradation of soil quality from poor farming practices, excessive use of fertilizer and pesticides, leakage from landfills. The second is water degradation. Full use of water from cash dam in oceans. Illegal dumping, disposal of large amounts of industrial waste into nearby rivers or lakes. The third is atmosphere degradation. This includes air degradation, particle pollution, and depletion of ozone layer. The fourth is several and other kinds of pollution. Apart from land, water, and atmosphere degradation, many other kinds of pollution such as noise pollution, light pollution that are part of environment. Here are the causes of environmental degradations. Ozone layer depletion. The Earth and atmosphere is damaged by the carbon emission caused by the human activities, especially in the factories around the world that deflate our ozone layer. Land disturbance and damage. It is the main cause environmental degradation, as to make different uses or while using resources on land like excavating, leveling, construction of buildings, roads, or etc. The destruction of coral reefs and marine biodiversity, it kills variety of life in our ocean. It includes all animals, plants, and microorganisms living in our ocean, from barnacles to whales to coral reefs, as more and more waste thrown into the ocean and change in temperature of water. When water is too warm, it results a coral bleaching caused by climate change. Pollution, whether in water, land, and air. It is harmful to the environment. Overpopulation. It is also a cause of environmental degradation because of rapid growth of our population. It strains our resources. Landfills. It pollutes environment and destroy the beauty of the city. Landfills comes within the city due to the large amount of waste that generated by households, industries, factories, and hospitals. Deforestation. It is degradation of our forest and wildlife. It is the result of human activities for agricultural expansion, wood extraction, logging, or wood harvest for domestic fuel or charcoal, and infrastructure expansion such as road building and urbanization, which destroy the habitats of wildlife. Nature causes. Things like avalanche, earthquakes, tidal waves, storms, and wildfires can totally crush nearby animal and plant groups to the points where they can no longer survive on those areas. Many experts do not think the planet can sustain a growing global economy. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change will not adjust for us, especially if increase in living standards and population. Consumers begin buying all their wants and needs. Producing all those things can be the cause of result to environmental degradation. The effects of environmental degradation. First, impact on human health. Second, loss of biodiversity. Third, ozone layer deflation. Fourth is economic impact. Solutions to environmental degradation. Preventing and stopping the causes of environmental degradation is the best thing we can do, like stop deforestation, government regulations, reuse and reduce waste generation, and education to ensure the sustainability of our planet.